Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyrene, and if you're new here, I post every Friday and Sunday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using my ring light today because it's already nighttime, and by the title of this you guys know that this is a Ross try on haul, and y'all know that Ross like closes at 12:30. So well, at least in my area. So yeah, so it's basically like later at night and I'm so tired. But I just wanted to share what I got with you guys and try it on for you guys. And yeah, oh yeah, I didn't even say that why I'm using my ring light. So I'm using my ring light because like with my regular lighting, just look. Y'all won't really see like the color properly. Like look at this color there, look at that now. It's better. And then look at this color here. Look at it now. No. Plus there's like a bunch of shadows from the I'm so sorry for that. There's a bunch of shadows from the tripod and everything, so. Okay. Anyways, let's get on with the video. So this is basically a Skittles t-shirt. It's cropped at the bottom. It's really cute, really big, super comfy. And yeah, I would usually wear this to like school probably because I don't like to put in effort for school. Well, sometimes I do, only if I have to, so yeah. The next thing are these leggings that I'm wearing. So these are like really soft leggings. I love it. But yeah, these are so soft, super comfy, and it has a thick band. Next, I got some shoes. I just wanted new shoes so I could stop wearing flats to church. So these are the new shoes. They're a little booty. And then I also got another pair that laces up in the front. These ones zip up in the back, but I love it. And then I also got another shirt. I would probably wear this to school if I want to dress up a little bit more. But here you go. This top, it has cute little clasps on the sleeves, and then it has a zipper in the front if y'all want to be scandalous. Y'all could like zip it down or whatever. I don't know, it's up to you. You do you, boo. And then this top is more dressy, so it's similar. So there's like clasps on the sleeves. Is that even the right term? Clasps? I don't know. But here you go. Then there's little zippers on the bottom. I really like the colors of it, to be honest. Also, it ties on the waist. So yeah. And then I also got this top. I don't know if I'm gonna return it or not yet. We'll see. But it's basically just a plain t-shirt with stripes on the sleeves. So yeah, nothing special. The reason why I might return it is because it shows my bra outline right here, so I don't like that. Next, I got this top. This is how it looks like, and there's a little tie in the front. Next, I got another top. It says Paris on it, and it has stripes on the sleeve as well. Honestly, if you guys are wondering where I get like most of my tops, it's from Ross because it's cheap. And plus, by the way, this is by M&M. And then I also had an Eggo shirt that has like the Eggo's logo, and it's by them as well. So I got a Disney shirt that's by the Disney store or whatever from Ross, and I got it for cheap. So if you guys want some cute t-shirts, look in the junior section or something or whatever. Also, I realized that the background really clashes with the clothes that I try on, so I'm sorry. Moving on. Oh wait, I have another t-shirt. This is the last t-shirt. I don't know if I want to return it or not because it's not that cute. So this is how it looks like. It has a little design. I got a dress. So it buttons up in the front, and it it ties on the side, and where I would wear this is to church probably. So yeah, most of these stuff I would either wear to church or school or where I volunteer. So yeah. I also like the fact that there are buttons up here because y'all don't know how to choke. So this is basically wow, this is basically an off the shoulder romper, and then it has like a skirt thingy that goes around it. I don't know what it's called. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, it has like shorts on the inside, and then I would like it better if like the shorts part were just black, and then this part continues from the top. But yeah, it's like a little high-low type of skirt thing. Now this one is like tube jumpsuit thing. Wow. It's a jumpsuit. So this is how it looks like. I really like it. The only problem is with this one, it's too big on the top part, so I'm thinking of maybe getting an inch off of both sides so that, okay, the boob part's too big for me, dude. Like, I don't have big boobs, so this is how it looks like. And then like the bottom flares out. It goes up mid-calf. So yeah, and that's the last thing in this haul. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that little notification bell. I'm sorry if you guys couldn't hear me properly. I totally forgot to wear my microphone today. Oh yeah, you guys probably didn't even know, but like for most of the videos I talk really quietly because it's like nighttime. So I would usually wear the microphone underneath. Anyways, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Actually, I won't see you guys. You guys will see me. So you guys will see me next time. Bye.